Do you know that on Columbus's fourth voyage to the Americas in 1503, he reported seeing mermaids of Haiti? He described them as not as pretty as perceived, for somehow in the face they look like men. Many explorers after him also reported similar sightings. Of course, they were not mermaids. Then who? They were manatees, commonly known as sea cows. Now you are wondering how sea cows can look like mermaids and why they are called sea cows in the first place. Watch the video until the end for the answer to this question while learning many other remarkable facts about these sea creatures. As you'll delve into the ocean's depths, you might come across one of the most fascinating creatures of the sea cow. These gentle giants, also known as manatees or dugongs, possess a unique charm and a captivating lifestyle that has left marine enthusiasts in awe for centuries. From their slow and graceful movements to their peculiar eating habits, the life of a sea cow is nothing short of mesmerizing. So, grab your snorkeling gear and let's dive into the wonderful world of sea cows. From crystal clear waters to secluded estuaries, the breathtaking habitat of sea cows. Sea cows inhabit shallow, warm waters along the coastlines of the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, Amazon Basin, and parts of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They prefer water temperatures ranging from 68 till 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, and can thrive in saltwater and freshwater environments. Sea cows are adapted to living in different habitats including rivers, estuaries, bays, canals, and mangrove forests. Diet: sea cows are herbivorous mammals, primarily feeding on seagrass, although they may also feed on other aquatic plants such as algae and mangrove leaves. They consume up to 10 to 15% of their body weight in seagrass daily, which is necessary for survival and growth. Height: the average size of a sea cow is around 10 to 13 feet, 3 to 4 meters. Weight: they can weigh up to 600 kgs, 1300 pounds. However, some individuals can weigh up to 1000 kgs, 2200 pounds. Average age: the lifespan of sea cows varies depending on the species and their habitat, but they generally live between 40 to 60 years in the wild. Some individuals have been known to live up to 70 years in captivity. Distinctive biology: body. The body of a sea cow is adapted for life in the water. They have large, robust bodies with cylindrical shapes. Their body is covered in thick, wrinkled skin that helps regulate their body temperature and provides protection from injury. Head. The head of a sea cow is broad and round. Their large nostrils are at the top of the snout used to breathe air. They also have a broad, flat head that acts as a paddle, helping them to move through the water quickly. Flippers. Sea cows have two flippers near their head for steering and maneuvering while swimming. These flippers also have several finger-like bones that allow them to manipulate and grasp objects such as seagrass while feeding. Teeth. The teeth of sea cows are also unique as they are not replaced when they fall out. They typically have a few rows of teeth gradually wearing down and falling out throughout their lifetime. Once their teeth have fallen, they rely on their molars to grind down their food. Tail. The tail of a sea cow is flattened and shaped like a paddle, used for propulsion in the water. Their tail muscles are powerful, allowing them to swim up to 8 kilometers per hour, 5 miles per hour. Unique eating habits. Sea cows have some unusual eating habits that are fascinating to observe. Their flexible upper lips help grasp and pull seagrass, but their flippers help position and stabilize themselves while feeding. They can occasionally stand on their tails to reach higher plants or to stretch their bodies. This behavior is known as tail standing. It is often observed in shallow water where the sea cows can use the bottom for support. Unique digestive system. Sea cows also have a unique digestive system, allowing them to break down tough plant fibers. Their multi-chambered stomach ferments the seagrass, further broken down by microbes in their intestines. This process produces gases the sea cows can release through their anus, resulting in a distinct farting sound often heard in their habitat. Mating habitats. Sea cows are large, herbivorous marine mammals worldwide in warm, shallow waters. So, only a little is known about their mating habits. Still, scientists have been able to observe and document some of their behaviors. Manatees are solitary creatures who come together in groups called aggregations during the mating season. These aggregations can consist of up to a dozen or more individuals and are usually made up of one male and several females. The males compete for the females' attention by displaying their strength and agility. This is done through a series of courtship behaviors that involve vocalizations, touching, and chasing. Once a male has successfully courted a female, they will mate. Manatees are believed to have a polygamous mating system, meaning one male will mate with multiple females during the breeding season. The process can last for several minutes. After mating, the male and female will separate and the female will gestate her young. Gestation period. The gestation period of sea cows, also known as manatees, is around 12 months. Birth and early life. The birth of a manatee is a fascinating and complex process. Manatees give birth in shallow, protected coves, bays, and rivers. The female will typically lie on her side with her tail towards the water's surface and her head facing the bottom. The birth process can take several hours. The newborn calf will emerge tail first from the mother's genital opening. The calf will be born with its eyes open and start swimming and nursing almost immediately. The mother will assist the calf to the water's surface for its first breath of air. The newborn calf will be around 3 to 4 feet, 91 to 122 centimeters long, and weigh between 27 to 32 kilograms, 60 to 70 pounds at birth. The mother will care for her young for up to 2 years, nursing the calf with milk rich in fat and protein. After a few weeks of birth, the calf will also start to eat seagrass and other vegetation. Manatees are known for their strong maternal bond. The mother will protect her calf, keeping it close by at all times. The calf stays with its mother for up to 2 years, during which time it will learn how to navigate the waters, find food, and interact with other manatees. Social behavior. Manatees are social animals and have been observed in groups of up to 20 individuals. However, most groups consist of fewer than 6 animals. They are also known to form long-term relationships with other sea cows. Sea cows are known for their gentle and peaceful demeanor. They are not aggressive towards humans or other animals and are often curious about their surroundings. They have been known to approach boats and interact with humans in a friendly manner. Sound mechanism. Sea cows communicate with each other using various sounds and body language. They communicate with other sea cows through whistles, moans, and squeaks. These vocalizations convey their location, reproductive status, and social interactions. Body language. Sea cows also use body language to communicate with each other. They use their flippers and tails to signal their intentions and to express their emotions like aggression. Attack and defense. Adult manatees have no natural predators in the wild due to their large size, tough skin, and gentle nature. However, young and weak manatees can be preyed upon by several predators, including sharks, crocodiles, and killer whales. Additionally, sea cows can be injured or killed by boats and other watercraft collisions. This can be particularly deadly given sea cows' large size and slow speed. However, sea cows have developed several strategies to minimize their attack risk. They seek out shallow, protected areas to avoid predators and minimize the risk of collisions with boats. Congregating in groups also helps deter predators and provides mutual protection. Unique excretory system. Sea cows can drink seawater and process the salt from their system using specialized kidneys that filter out excess salt. Why are they given the name sea cows? Their nickname sea cows is given to them as they eat seagrasses or graze along the seabed. Now, coming to why explorers mistook them for mermaids. Explorers mistook manatees for mermaids because manatees have a few physical characteristics that resemble those of humans, particularly females. From a distance or in poor lighting conditions, their flippers look like arms, while the round head can be mistaken for a human face. Moreover, when manatees surface for air, they often make a sound that resembles a human-like vocalization, further contributing to the belief that they are mermaids. Please tell us in the comments section what you liked the most about today's video. Which piece of information about sea cows was most exciting? Subscribe to the channel for Animal Kingdom's most exciting updates.